Bullish OMG organization cost expectations range between and by 2030. Market experts accept OMG could reach by 2025. Bearish OMG organization market cost expectation for 2022 is OMG organization presentation. The OMG organization is a decentralized installment network that utilizes a sidechain engineering to bunch a few exchanges off-chain into a cluster, which can then be checked as a solitary exchange on the Ethereum root chain. As per OMG organization, this innovation can possibly scale Ethereum to huge number of exchanges each second, rather than the 10 to 14 TPS Ethereum 1.0 is right now prepared to do. The organization depends on an original scaling arrangement called More Viable Plasma, created by OMISCO, an auxiliary of OMIS. What is OMG organization? OMG organization is a non-custodial, Layer 2 scaling arrangement worked for the Ethereum blockchain. It is intended to permit clients to move ETH and ERC20 tokens fundamentally quicker and less expensive than while executing straightforwardly on the Ethereum organization. The OMG network is decentralized and empowers quick, minimal-expense exchanges in any resource. The local badge of the OMG organization is classified OMG. OMG tokens are utilized to pay exchange charges on the OMG organization. Later on, OMG tokens will likewise be stackable, and that implies that holders of the tokens can procure awards for assisting with getting the organization. OMG organization was previously known as OMISCO. It was established in 2017 by Jun Hasegawa and Donnie Harinsut. The organization is situated in Bangkok, Thailand. In 2018, it was gained by OMIS, a main Southeast Asian installments organization. OMG value history. The OMG token was first recorded on digital money trades in July 2017, and its cost immediately rose to a pinnacle of $12.51 on September 7, 2017. Nonetheless, the cost then, at that point, encountered a remedy, arriving at a nearby low of $5.52 toward the beginning of November. Following this, during the crypto market's bull run in November-December 2017, the cost of OMG took off to its unsurpassed high of $32.29 on the 8th of January 2018. From that point forward, the cost of OMG has vacillated somewhat consistently between roughly $1 and $4. On the 15th of February 2018, OMIS reported that it had collaborated with Shinhan Bank, one of South Korea's biggest banks, to send off an experimental run program testing blockchain innovation for cross-line cash moves. This news started recharged revenue in the OMG token and brought about a huge cost increment throughout the next days. OMISCO is intended to empower continuous, distributed esteem trade and installment administrations across purviews and hierarchical storehouses in both government-issued currency and decentralized monetary standards. OMG specialized investigation. The by-and-large negative pattern that started in November 2021 has additionally been affirmed by the 5100th EMAS going about as a powerful opposition. This is a specialized pointer that shows long-haul financial backer opinion. OMG will probably keep on declining in the next few long stretches of time. Longer-term financial backers might need to consider averaging down their situation or hanging tight for a more critical dunk prior to repurchasing it. The new cost activity gives us trust that the bear market is either at an end or, at any rate, a reprieve from areas of strength for the pattern. In the H4 time span, the cost hit a help level, making a rising channel. This could show an inversion in pattern, or at any rate, a time of combination before the following move. Besides, on the day-to-day time span, we can see that cost has likewise tracked down help and has started to frame a transformed head and shoulders design. Thusly, while there are still a few worries in the market by and large, signs recommend that Ethereum might be prepared to presently organize a recuperation. For those keen on effective financial planning, watching out for these advancements will be urgent in settling on informed conclusions about when to trade ETH tokens. The market is without a doubt looking bullish right now, with the cost reliably making better upsides and worse low points inside the limits of an obvious cost channel. OMG organization current cost. OMG organization is as of now worth USD. OMG has moved as of now with an exchanging volume of. OMG organization is as of now positioned among all cryptographic forms of money with a market capitalization of USD. Our cost expectation gauges utilize continuous OMG organization market information, and all information is refreshed live on our site. This permits us to give dynamic cost expectations in light of current market action. OMG organization value forecast 2022. OMG organization, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astounding digital forms of money to rise this year. The OMG cost estimate for 2022 expects a critical expansion in the year's last part, potentially coming to. Similarly as with other digital currencies, the ascent will be slow, however no significant drops are normal. Averaging in cost is very aggressive. Yet it is attainable sooner rather than later given expected coordinated efforts and progressions. OMG is supposed to have a base worth of OMG Organization Value Forecast 2023. In 2023, OMG Organization OMG Cost Expectation has a lot of space for development. Because of the possible declarations of various new associations and drives, we guess that the cost of OMG will before long outperform. Notwithstanding, we ought to stand by to check whether the OMG's overall strength list emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market instability, OMG will exchange with a base exchanging cost of and a typical exchanging cost of OMG Organization Value Expectation 2024. Assuming the vertical pattern go on until 2024, it could reach and OMG might benefit. On the off chance that the market encounters a downfall, the objective may not be met. OMG is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of and a low of in 2024. OMG Organization Value Forecast 2025. In the event that OMG Organization effectively supports market opinion among digital currency lovers, the OMG coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, OMG will be green in 2025. The OMG is supposed to reach and outperform its unsurpassed high in 2025. In 2025, the virtual cash will be worth, with a base cost of and a typical cost of OMG Organization Value Expectation 2026. After some broad determining and specialized investigation, we gauge the OMG cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of by 2026, with a base cost of anticipated before the year's end. Moreover, OMG has a most extreme value worth of OMG Organization Value Expectation 2027. Because representing things to come organizations that are supposed to occur by 2027, we are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around. In the event that OMG figures out how to break the safe level in 2027, we could see a most extreme cost of neglecting to assemble the help OMG needs by 2027 could bring about a low of OMG Organization Value Expectation 2028. While OMG is endeavoring towards interoperability between organizations to hurry communication, the bullish pattern from the earlier year is supposed to proceed, so the base exchange cost has been set at and a yearly cost close above in 2028. OMG Organization Value Forecast 2029. By 2029, OMG Organization will at long last outperform its past ATH values and record new cost levels. The base cost could be and possibly arrive at a most extreme value worth of, averaging out at OMG Organization Value Expectation 2030. The digital money market is known to be exceptionally unstable, which is one of the many justifications for why cost estimating is a troublesome undertaking. Makes an honest effort to figure future costs with accuracy. But all forecasts ought not be taken as monetary exhortation, and you should DYOR. In 2030, we are anticipating that digital money should have acquired reception across numerous areas. Thusly, the greatest OMG cost in 2030 is projected to be in case of a bull run, with a typical value